As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
The Piano Encyclopedia presents the Interactive Practice Booklets of the logic behind music. Put piano theory into practice. Enjoy 4 multimedia digital booklets full of enriching exercises that will help you play your favorite songs, improvise, create your own music, and play the piano by ear. Start with Practice Booklet 1, Elemental Practice. The main lessons of the logic behind music will instruct you to use each of the practice booklets at different moments. This first booklet will help you master the basics of piano playing through interactive exercises, multimedia piano charts, on-screen animations with sound, and the latest technology will help you put all the basics into practice. Continue with Practice Booklet 2, Real-World Song Examples. The use of real-world song examples will help you see how songs work, why they are composed the way they are, and why they make you feel the way they do. At the same time as you are learning how to play your first songs, you will discover the logic behind the music. As a result, by the end of the course, you will be able not just to play all of your favorite music, but also be able to create your own. Leap forward with Practice Booklet 3, Implement the Secrets. As you progress through the main lessons of the logic behind music, all of the secrets kept away from generations, passed from musicians to musicians, will finally be revealed to you. In this interactive booklet, you will learn to incorporate those powerful musical secrets into your own daily practice. Skyrocket your skills with Practice Booklet 4, Master the Piano. The final step of the journey is the most rewarding, and putting theory into practice is all about the small details that make a big difference in your playing. The interactive piano charts and groundbreaking technology will help you finally reach your dreams. Play your favorite songs, improvise, play the piano by ear, compose your own music, and get ready for a standing ovation. Get the Piano Encyclopedia's interactive practice booklets of the logic behind music and reach all of your musical dreams, step by step, from beginner to advanced. Order now